copy. Shreya's writing was not nice, fairly not maintained. Shreya. And let me see names, because I had several copies I had seen. To Astha I had already said only. If I'll see over here, those students whose Ayush Shikhar Singh is on hold. And yes, very nicely, and I think each and everything work was done by Tarun Kumar Das properly. His 3 copies were there. 2 copies totally filled, and third also more than half it was filled. That shows that he has done many things. And also with better maintenance of copy. It is not that anyhow
Sir,
he has made. He
school
has
should
made
give, sir,
the
that
copies proper
lining
writing.
copy, sir.
Lining copy.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Without lining, it is looking better, more better. If you will see copies of, I should appreciate. I think Aditi is in this class or in another class. Aditi's copy was
Another
nice.
class, sir. Another class.
In another class, yes. In same way, whose I think more in from this class. Let me see whose copy was better. Ruchi copy was Ruchi not Ruchika, I think, or Rituja is there, or both is there. Both is there. Ruchika also and Rituja also. From these two, any one copy was very nice. Yes, Sreshta Sarkar copy was also very nice. She has maintained copy properly. If you will see, then you will say.
My,
Nancy also, yes, Nancy also.
my copy, sir.
Nancy copy was also nice. Okay.
So my copy, sir,
Sir, you
not
check
My
mine.
copy, sir.
Navnayan also,
Yuvraj,
but
sir.
somewhere you had not faced this word saying upper margin, side margin, nothing were there. Okay.
Sir,
My
Sir,
Yuvraj, sir.
mine Aditya Mishra.
I thought you were about to tell, sir, the copy margins were there, sir.
No, and okay, I'm not remembering all at once, okay, but okay, more than 50% copies were better,
sir,
and few
my sir,
copies were being seen from watching only copy it was being seen. Anyone was doing in hurry. I think you all are from section A, yes?
no sir,
B, sir,
Fifth
B.
A
B.
No, sir.
section.
Please, sir.
B, okay. So I think not from B or A only. Anyone has just written 2-3 page, and then after written my made copy has been lost. So I had just in hurry I had made this. Now just see, sitting in home, making everything in home only, and in home also copy lost. How it will be lost? It is clear being known that no, he has not made. So saying copy lost.
Can you hide that boss?
Earlier students say used to say in school, okay, I had brought but I had forgotten, I had kept anywhere, someone has stolen. Now in home also anyone is stealing.
No, sir.
Not stealing, sir. That is getting lost here and there, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
in home how it will be lost? There are
Sir,
many
in home
guards in
only
home.
it is,
Father is
sir.
there, mother
Home is
is there,
big,
brother
sir.
is there, sister is
Home is
there.
big.
Yes, sir.
Then
Anywhere, sir.
also
In
what?
hall,
If
sir.
you
In
will leave
And
anything,
many things
even if
are
you will
there,
throw
sir.
your socks anywhere, your mother will pick and bring near you. Okay? So, such
Somewhere
excuses will
misplaced
not be
happens.
entertained. Then
no,
it can
sir.
be
My
found,
mother
okay?
is picking up me and keeping me near the socks, and then I am taking my socks from there, sir. Not
Okay.
bringing socks.
Okay, okay. There might be some, in some home
Vice
there might be,
versa, sir.
okay, where if child is throwing socks, mother is only throwing the child. You go outside of the home. At first learn manner and then only come inside. Yes, strict parents.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Madhav spent rupees 1200 on buying 6 stools. One of the stool was sold at loss of 10% by mistake. Okay, unknowingly. Sometimes happens. If anyone has soap, they may understand that sometimes we forget. Okay, in this much rupees I had bought, and we are selling it in less money only. So here it has been said by mistake he had sold in 10% loss. At what price should the remaining 5 tools should be sold to, so that there is a net gain of 8%? So exact same, there is one example, if you will see, I think that is example number last 18, I think. Same like example number 18 you have to do. I think yes, this is only the example, yes, 18 number. Here also it has been done the same question. See, as about 9 mobile phones, by mistake 3 of these were sold at loss of 10% each. At what price should the remaining 6 phones should be sold to get profit of 15%? What is gain percent at which each of 6 mobile phones are sold? So same question is there. By watching this, Nancy, will you be able to do, or I should explain?
Explain, no?
Okay, explain now. Okay, I'll explain then. So let's come over here in question number 12. Here what we will do is, at first we will find SP at 8% profit, as it has been done in example. What you will do? You will write here, okay, spent rupees 1200 on buying 6 stools. Okay, so you can say CP of 6 stools is equal to rupees 1200. So each stool price will be how much? 200. So at first let's find SP. SP of, because in total he need 8% gain. It has been said, so the remaining 5 tools should be sold so that the net gain is 8%. So you can say SP of 6 stools is equal to rupees 1200 plus 8% of 1200, that is CP plus profit percent of CP. So CP is 1200, so therefore 1200 plus 8% of rupees 1200. Of course, while you are making, then you write formula also. Let me write over here again me formula also. Now then what will happen, if I will not write, you will also not write, and if you will not write, then you will not remember, and if you will not remember, then in exam you will be thinking what I should write over here now.
So, and
if
if that will be not done, sir, then marks will be reduced, sir.
Yes, marks will be less. You will be scolded by your parents. Not reading and writing, your parents will come in school and say, no, teacher is not guiding our students properly. Yes?
Yes.
Then after there will be the pressure.
sir.
Okay, teacher is not good, so he is not teaching. That's why so many students are being failed. So one small mistake hampers many one and increases the tempers of many persons. Principal sir, MD sir, your guardian, then after teachers. Okay. So why
Yet
to
all
make
days of
mistakes?
teachers, sir, you give good marks.
Okay, no.
Sir,
Giving
sir,
simply a good
Suraj,
marks is not the solution. Yes.
Sir, Suraj sir is also teaching in class in our school, sir.
He had left.
Okay,
This year
sir.
only, sir.
Sir,
This year only he had left.
sir.
Yes.
So
Yes.
in this way only it can be solved, sir. Another way, sir, it cannot be.
Just see there either at first only you find out 8% of profit, or at first you can find what saying 1 CP price. Process is same. Steps you can do different. At last you can find this, or first you can find this. That depends. Getting it? Process is same.
Yes, sir. I have first.
Now we will
found
be
the
finding
price
CP of each stool is equal to, right? Now CP of each stool is equal to rupees 1200 by 6, that is rupees 200. So now, by mistake, he had sold how many tool with 10% loss? One only. So you can
Yes.
say SP of one tool is equal to
180, sir.
SP of one tool is equal to rupees 200 minus 10% of rupees 200. Oh my God, it is started raining. Yes, in your area also it is raining.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Raining from 10 minutes.
Yes,
Previous 10
of
minutes.
10 minutes. Okay.
So now it started.
Now only
That
started.
my
Here
area
also
Sir, now
now only.
in that,
heavy
sir.
rain.
In that, sir.
Now Indeed
Sir,
also no.
here
Here
it
it
is
is going
raining
on
from
raining.
10 minutes.
Yes, sir. My
Sir,
area.
in my area, raining only, sir. Heavy rain.
Okay. Heavy rain. Here also heavy rain.
Yeah, nothing happening, sir.
Okay. There nothing
Net will also be
will
poor.
happen then. Yes.
So now net will also be poor.
Net will also be poor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Now, okay, 180 rupees it happens. So you can say okay, SP of remaining 5 stools. SP of remaining 5 stools will be how much? To have the gain, okay, stool spelling is wrong. In the C, English is also a good language, where with same meaning there are different, same word have different meaning also. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Do you
Yes,
know?
sir.
One stool is sitting stool and another stool is
Yeah, sir. Knowing, sir.
knowing, which we
Yes,
do
sir.
every morning. Yes, which we store in our latrine
Okay, sir.
or toilet. Okay,
Bathroom, sir.
bathroom. Okay. So what was the total SP? SP was total SP was 1296. So 1296 minus rupees 186.
So 180, no, sir.
Sorry, 180. Yes. So it will become how much? Okay, it will become
1116, sir.
1116. Yes. 1116 you can subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6, and then after 9 minus 8 is 1, and then after 2 minus 1 is 1, and then after, okay, 1116. So you can say SP of each. It has been said to find SP of each. What it has been said to find? Let me see again. At what price should the remaining 5 tools be sold so that the net gain is 8%? So you can say here this is total. You can find of each, and you can say hence each stool should be sold at the rate rupees 1116 by 5. Yes,
Yes, sir. Then it will
to
come
get
to 22,
to get
223.2, sir.
8% as net profit, and that will become how much? Is equal to 5 to the 10. Okay,
Sir, 222,
5 to the 10.
223.2, sir.
Okay, 5 to the 10 again, then 1 in 0, 5 to the 10, and again 5 3s are 15, and
Yes.
then after 5 to the 10. Yes, so 223.20, or you can write 2 also. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear
Yes,
to
sir. So
everyone?
question number.
Before that
What,
also
sir?
anyone has said any doubt?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. 7, sir.
11.
7.
Okay,
11
7 also,
also.
then 11.
11
Okay,
also,
11
sir.
also. So now this should be solved of 7 at first. Early Namnayan has asked. Yes, Namnayan?
Yes, sir. You are right.
Yes, I'm right.
Sir, when you
So
explain about GST,
GST, okay. So after explaining the each doubts, I'll be saying about GST, okay. So if anyone want to take a screenshot, they can easily take a screenshot. It has been in routed one screen, okay. So now I'll be moving towards what? Question number 7. So now again I will be coming towards question number 7 by bringing this up. So if you will see here, in one side there is 7, in another side there was 12. So let me make the big question number 7. Yes about, what yes has about, let me see.
sir, question number 7 is same as question number 6.
Okay, 6 and 7 is same, yes. Then 6 you are not knowing, Navnayan?
Yesterday's I understood, sir, but 7 now also I am having problems, sir.
Okay, yesterday I had explained 6, yes.
Yes, sir.
Is
6
it?
I have solved, sir.
Aditi bought 2 refrigerators for rupees 28,500. She sold each of them at the same selling price, so like literally, okay. And here it has been said, yes, about 2 music player for rupees 44,500. She sold one at 10% profit and another at 10% loss. Yes, it is exactly same. Find the cost price and selling price of each refrigerator, and here it is find the cost price and find the selling price of both players. The selling price of both players is same, find the cost price of 2 players. So you'll not be able to do?
No, sir. This one you solved, no, sir.
Okay, I'm solving then this. So let's see question number 7 now. In question number 7, what we will do is, here it has been said to find the cost price. Yes. So you'll assume, yes, about 2 music player for 44,500. So you'll assume, let the cost price of one music player be X. Okay.
Sir, you solve no
Will be writing.
variable.
What? Only
You solve
variable?
no without, that would be easy.
Okay, without explaining or without writing the sentence, then you will be
No,
writing
sir,
the sentence by yourself.
without assuming X.
Yes, without
Without
assuming.
assuming X, then what will
Yes,
be assuming then?
Without
So how
assume, we
can we
cannot
solve
solve.
without assuming?
This question can't be solved, no, sir, without assuming.
Yes,
it can be solved.
there you have to
Can be
assume
solved
X only. How it
by
will be
dividing
solved? You
the
send it,
profit of
send the
10%.
solution.
The formula.
Formula is there.
Yes, sir. Yesterday photo, sir. You can see.
What? That SP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss into CP, that?
Sir, first of all, sir, we will divide them by 2. 44,500 divided by 2 is equal to
We
triple two
can't
five zero.
divide into 2. Because here
What,
it has
sir?
not been said that the cost price of both are same.
Yes, sir, both are same, sir, cost price. That's why, sir, we will divide them by 2 so that the cost price
Where
would
it
be
has been
same.
said cost price is same. No, cost price is not same. It has not been said the cost price is same.
Yes, one price is assumed as
Because
X,
if
sir.
cost price will be same and selling price also will be same, then in both either there will be profit only or there will be loss only. In one it can't become profit and in another it can't become loss. Are you getting me? Because here it has been said the selling price of both player is the same. Selling price is same, not cost price. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here we will be assuming X because we are not knowing what will be the cost price. That all it has been said to find. If it will be so, then by dividing with 2 directly we will be getting answer. No use of 10% profit and no use of 10% loss, because it has been said only to find cost price only. So you will be writing, let the cost price of one music player, cost price of one music player be X. Music player be X. Then cost price of second music player becomes cost price of second music player becomes how much rupees? Okay, or without writing rupees also you can write 44,000. Okay, let me write below itself. Okay, 44,500 minus x. Okay, so now what we will do? Now SP at 10% profit is equal to, now SP, okay, of music player. You will write now SP of music player at 10% profit is equal to, music player at 10% profit is equal to, how much it will become? You know formula of SP. SP is equal to,
Sir, 110% of X, sir.
100 plus profit percent. I am writing at first formula, then I will be writing, because if I will write directly, then you will not be remembering formula. So is equal to CP into CP. This is the formula of finding SP with profit. So this will become 110, and okay, if we are taking off x1, then it will become 110x. How much? Is equal to CP is x, then 100 plus profit percentage also 10, so 110x by 100. Okay, and again you will be writing
11x by 10.
again, okay, 11x by 10 also you can write. Again, SP of music player here to 10% loss is equal to, for loss there is different formula, that is what? Same formula, 100 minus loss is there?
Yes, sir, minus loss, sir.
Loss by 100, loss percent, that is into CP. That will become how much? That will become 90x by 100. Yes.
Yes.
No, now here it will not be x, because one of
Because
x we had
there will
already
be,
found.
sir,
So this will become
yes, sir,
44,500 minus x. So what we will be writing? You will write is equal to 90 into 44,500 minus x by 100. Now you will write according to question. Now according to question. Okay. What will happen? Both the SP are same. In question it has been said, if the selling, both the selling price are same. So what will happen? It will become 110x by 100 is equal to 90 times 44,500 minus x by 100. And 100 both sides will be cancelling. Okay. So this will become, according to question, 110x 110x by 100 is equal to 90 times 44,500 minus x by 100, and 100 got cancelled. Okay, so even we can cancel 0, then it will become 11x is equal to, okay, 0, 9 5 is 45, carry 4, 9 4 is 36, and 4 40, carry 4, 9 4 is 36, and 4 40. So it will become like this. Yes. Yes. So
Yes,
minus 9x. So we will write 9x, when it will come this side, it will change into plus. So 11x plus 9x, it will become 20x is equal to 400, 500. So we can say x is equal to 400, 500 divided by 20. Okay. So when it will be divided, what will be the answer? Let me pick this up.
Sir,
Okay.
20025.
20025, yes.
Yes,
So let me
sir.
rub this off.
2025, sir.
Okay, just for a second. Then what will happen? You can write hence x is equal to, okay, 2 to the 4, so 2, 0, 0 will be there, and 2, 5 will be there. Yes, 1, 0, 1, 0, it will cancel, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can write hence cost price of one music player, price of one music player is rupees 20,000, 25, and other music player cost price is equal to rupees
Sir, 24,475.
44,500 minus rupees 20,025. When it is subtracted, it will come how much?
Sir, 24475.
24475.
Yes. So did the answer matched? Now it has started running happy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Understood, Namnayan?
Yes, sir. Clearly, sir.
Yes. So now, anyone was saying there was more doubt? Yes.
11, sir.
Okay, the sound of the rain is increasing. 11, okay. So we'll be coming towards 11. Little bit more small, I think I have to do. Can you listen to the sound of rain?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here we
Listening?
can listen. From your mic, it is not coming.
Okay, from my mic it is not going. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we can hear from here, sir, from our home.
Oh. So, okay, if anyone wants to take a screenshot of pose, now the solution, our whole solution is in one screen, so you can easily take a screenshot. Okay, after this, I'll be going towards question number 11. So, let's see question number 11 then. So, for 11, I'll be coming over here. What is that? What's this? To make it big. Okay, and then after I'll be pulling this edge up, more up. So you can see Nitin sold his mobile at profit of 5%. He had, if he had sold it for rupees 2,500, okay, 2,565 less, he would have incurred loss of 4%. Find the cost price of the mobile. It is just same like second last example. So if you will see second last example, I will show you. Here also same, it has been given the question. What is that? Here it is. Seeker sold a table at the profit of 15%. If he had sold it for rupees 372 less, then he would have incurred a loss of 5%. Find the cost price of the table. So by watching this example, will Astha be able to do this? Or you will find any problem, Astha?
Sir, no.
Okay, I'm solving them. Let's see. Okay. So I'll be keeping the whole question in one center. Yes. 11 number question, and this stylus move went up. So what you have to find? You have to find the cost price. So simply here you will be assuming let the cost price be X. Okay. What we will be writing? Let the cost price be X. Then what happens? He had made 5% profit. So you can say ESP at 5% profit is equal to 5% profit is equal to X plus 5% of X. That will become how much?
105x, sir.
Yes, that will become 105x by 100. Okay. Even you can write it after reducing 21 by 20, okay, x, or 21x by 20. Now, if he would have been sold it for 200, okay, what? 2,565 less, then you can write. Now, according to question, what will happen if this 21x by 20 will be reduced by rupees 2,565, then it would have been 4% loss. That is, x minus 4% of x will be equal to 21x by 20 minus rupees 2,565. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so after that, if I'll just rub this all, let me rub this all, okay. Now, what we can do is we can take this money to that side. Okay, let me first simplify, then we will be taking. So it will become 21x by 20 minus rupees 2,565 is equal to x minus 4x by 100. That will become 96x by 100. Getting me? So now number it will be coming one side. Okay, 105. This was 105x by 100. For subtracting, it will be easy. So I had brought in the same form. Okay, and this was 96x by 100 is equal to, this minus will come this side, so this will become positive, that is rupees 2,565. This got cancelled, 96, and then after 405, so it will become 9x is equal to rupees 2,565. Okay, 6,511 and 518. Okay, 16 and 218. So it will go exactly divided by 9. So x will become how much?
Sir, 100, how we cancel it, sir?
Which 100?
Sir, 105.
This I have not cancelled. I have not cancelled. Sorry. It will not be cancelled. 100 is there. It will not be cancelled. It is in subtraction. So there will be 100 here also. Sorry. It will be 100 here also. So this will become x is equal to rupees 2,565 into 100 by 9. So 9 to the 18, 7 and 6, 76. So 9, 8 is 72, and 4 and 5, 9, 5 is 45. So it will become is equal to rupees 28,500. When you will multiply, you will get this. So 28,500. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Answer also matched.
Yes, sir.
More than sir, I will take a screenshot.
Okay, I'll do short, you will take a screenshot. Okay, so some more. Now it will become too much less, so I'll make it big, little bit more big. Yes, it can be adjusted, I think. Okay, yes. No, it is not adjusted. There are few furthers also, so I'll do it a little bit more or less. And now I think you can see this. Yes.
So now explain GST.
Now GST, okay. GST full form is goods and service tax. What is that? goods and service tax. That means tax which are taken on our service. Like government is providing road to us, so road tax. Have you seen your parents giving any time road tax? In motorcycle, when we are
Yes,
buying
sir.
bike, at that time only the
Yes,
road
sir.
tax
Yes,
it
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
being
Saw, sir.
included over there. If it is four-wheeler, then of course, if you will see in toll
In
plaza,
Toll Plaza, sir.
there,
Toll Plaza, sir.
yes,
We can see
they have
giving
to pay
90.
the tax. While buying also road tax is being taken. Okay, so that is a tax. When
No,
we
sir,
are
we need to
earning,
show the army card, sir. In toll plaza, it doesn't take the money, sir.
that is for the government job holders. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they will not take. Okay, might be. Last time it was said no, judge have to also pay. What say? Toll tax. There is no any facility, then it is not written in this. But somewhere the person think, okay,
Army,
let
sir.
me- might be for army there is a note. Okay. So, and after that, several where there is tax. We are earning, if our earning will go above 5 lakh per year, then again we have to pay income tax. That is the another tax. So, GST is demanded on the things which we are buying, like petrol, television, mobile, clothes. Of course, on clothes also GST it is coming, but the person does not provide us GST bill. Simply, they are paying anyhow and maintaining anyhow. And in some, of course, if you will see,
It is inclusive
malls,
of all
in
taxes.
malls, there it is coming out of computer, then there it is written GST this much. And GST, either any tax is there, either it is GST or earlier it used to be VAT. Okay, these all are added on selling price. If you had bought anything, if you will go and if you will see, in mall it is written, suppose 300 rupees. Suppose in any object it is written 300 price. So that price is including GST. When they will make bill, then they will keep selling price separate, and what it is left out of 300, that will be in GST. It will be written if you will see the bill. If you will see mobile slip also, mobile bill also, there also it is written. Mobile price, if they will say you 10,000, they will take 10,000 only. But in 10,000, how much is GST and how much is mobile cost, that it will be seen in bill. Okay.
Sir, but sir, GS, VAT and SAT both were applied on marked price, no, sir.
Only discount is on mark price.
Yes.
After that, VAT and GST all are
Sir,
on selling price.
sir,
Yes, Astha?
before GST was implemented in India, sir. So before that, sir, like if goods is transferred from factory to trader, then after trader to wholesaler, sir, then on that also tax were included, no, sir?
Yes, there were value added tax.
Yeah.
That is only said VAT.
Now it is GST, no, sir. That like only
Now
what is the
all, yes, all different small tax combined to become a big tax. Okay, and that become a GST. So as I can see, time is also over. If there is any more confusion, you can ask. Now then we will be discussing in next class. Now at first what I will do is I will just stop recording. Okay. After that I will download